Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my realistic people, today I say let us do this quick one because I promise you that I will bring the world closer to your doorstep. Before we go on, finally, INEC declared Alhaji Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the winner of Nigeria presidential election. Finally, they rest their case. So, my realistic people, I have something that I want you to watch. This particular video is from one of the things that is going on right now, like calling for Nigerians to occupy the streets, to wage protests, to ask for their rights. In one way it is good, but in the other way you know what normally happened. If you are not really prepared, if you are not prepared, if you are not ready, there is no way you will go and occupy the streets. I just have the audio here that I want to listen to, and I'll be right back.
You tried to call me?
Yes, sir. It's Charlie Boy.
I know it's you.
I just wanted, the only thing I wanted to ask to confirm if truly, because we don't know what's fake news anymore, if you had really gone to INEC.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Okay, I haven't.
Okay.
All right. But they want to steal a victory. We must not allow them.
Papa, just give me a command. What do I do? What do you think? What can I do?
No, you shouldn't do it alone. You need to occupy Nigeria. All right?
Yeah.
It's Nigeria. So, because in that way, when the country is paralyzed, then they will find solution. All right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, from the audio you listened to, according to some persons, they said that person is Olusegun Obasanjo. I don't really know how true it is because the voice, I don't really know. But at the same time, you heard the person saying at the last rolling, saying that it is only to delete them. That after deleting them, what will happen will happen. Maybe by then the country will be upside down and they will be forced to leave office. But my question now is, whose person's child will be used as the sacrificial lamb? Which person's baby will be used as the sacrificial lamb? Do you want them to use your child? Because to wage protest in Nigeria is not just an easy something that you can just sit down and say that you want to wage protest. You know things that are involved. It's something that will be well planned, because at the end of the day, believe me, they will release the G on you, and you know what it takes. So we don't really pray for that, but it is what it is. So everybody need to be very, very careful, because nobody should be used. The people that are saying, oh, let's go out to protest, some of their children's school abroad, these are some of the things that you need to know. The people that say, let's come and protest so that Peter Obi will enter, so that the country will scatter everything and all that, some of their children are not there. So when they say come out and wage protest, you should be ready that is not just for free. When I say not for free, blood will flow, and it's not going to be possible. It's not going to be easy. That is why they say sit at home. No need for you to go and cast your vote. But you say no, you want to cast your vote, and now that you've cast your vote and you've seen the way it goes, you just have to sit down and be wise. Think of something better to do. But to occupy the street, say you want to go and protest, remember toll gates. Today, as I speak to you, those lives, nobody remember them anymore. It is now history. Nobody even know where their parents are. Nobody even know anything about them. It is gone, it is gone. It's only that very day people will cry, people will talk about it, and after which everybody will just mind their business. So me, I don't encourage anybody to come to the street to say let us protest. In fact, the celebrity with the rich people, the governors, the ones that say no, we don't accept this result, they should be at the long front. Yes, they should lead the protest. Anybody that said you should come out to come and protest, to come and do this, to start doing, let the leaders, let them be at the front, so the citizen will be at the back. Yes, let them lead the protest this time around. Please, my fellow wonderful people, don't allow anybody to push you. Don't allow anybody to cajole you. I am saying it is what it is. Because if you say you want to enter streets to protest, to start scattering things, let the leaders. In fact, there are so many people that this thing affect, not only you. The celebrities are there, they are not saying anything about it. Don't put your life in danger. Don't come out to say you are the one that is so stubborn, you are the one that knows how to do it more better, and you want to be at the front run. Let people see that you know how to talk or you know how to do it. My brother, enter house, go and sit down in one place, because if it happens, nobody will even reason you. That is just the basic truth. They will only take you as hero. Oh, this person during the protest, this is what happened to this person. Only that day you are gone. Next 4 years, election will still continue. So don't put your life in such danger. That is why Simon Ekpa said it is better you sit at home. When you sit at home, nobody will come and force you from your house. But you say no, you want to go and cast your vote, and now you finish casting your vote, and they do you 1, 2, 1, 3. The more you see, the less you talk or whatever. And now you are coming out that you want to go and protest, you want to die for this, that. Me, I don't advise it. Stay in your house. Next time you have to be wise. Yes, next time you have to be wise, you have to be sensible. But say you want to come out, you want to protest, it's you that knows how to protest a lot. My brother, enter house, go and sit down in one place. Go and sit down in one place and think of the next step to take, not protest at all. Who do you want to protest with? You will be out there doing protest. Why the governor or the people that said, oh, should have been the winner or whatever, that children will not protest with you? Come on. I know how painful it is. But coming out to protest, you know what is involved. You know what is involved. So, what happened in toll gate should not happen. As NSAS is not far. It's not too long. Just within 2-3 years. That is when as NSAS happened. And today nobody said anything about it. And we don't need another one again, because we are now wise. You can't put your life at the front for these people. They don't want it. They don't want your blood. Please. Don't come out to say you want to go and vote. You want to destroy. You want to do this. You want to do that. My people, they should not use you for that. Let the celebrity, let them be at the front this time around. Yes, you people have tried. You people have worked. You people have screamed. You people know what you want. Let the celebrity, those people that ginger the swagger, those people that ginger you, say come out and protest, come out and do this. Meanwhile, they will see that be controlling you people on phone. Let them come out and lead the protest. Those celebrities should come out and lead the protest. Those governors, those senators, wherever they are, those ones talking, they should come out and lead the protest. My people, don't come out and protest. If you did not see governor, celebrities, leaders, authentic ones that carry weight, like Obasanjo leading the protest, don't come out. You can't do it alone, okay?
Ahead, we have a legal fight ahead. Fight to get our mandate back, and we're going to do it. I see a lot of people who have been saying one thing about, oh, you know, the courts, they control the courts, and the people are saying, oh, you can't get your mandate there, it's not possible, they're trying to give up. They do not control the courts. They want you to believe they control the courts. So it's an illusion. I'm telling you, it was the same thing with Lagos. Many people believe that Tinubu could not be defeated in Lagos. Many people, in short, anybody you talk to, they'll tell you, when we were doing that, we say, look, we have, for all the states, Lagos was the one I knew we had in the back, more than anything. And people will say, no, it's not possible. The only reason why it was possible for them to keep a hold of that Lagos was simply because that people believed he had the power. It was an illusion. And so, because people believed that he had the power, he controlled Lagos, they didn't bother to come out and vote. Like, okay, what's the essence of coming out and vote? Just like what we've had all this, so they say political, what's the essence of coming out to vote? You understand? They do not own the judiciary. It's an illusion, and that illusion, on this case, by the grace of God, is going to be scattered. You will see it on this case. In this case, there is no. We've never, as a people, focused on the judiciary. All this one, we are focused on the executive and the legislative arm of government. Now, the Nigerian people, now is the time for us to focus on the judiciary. All those judges, every one of them will put a touchlight on them. Every one of them. All the cases. This is not the case that, oh, it's only the whole Nigeria. Because it is our mandate that was stolen. I delivered my polling unit. You cannot change my result. Just put the result. We are not asking for anything else. Put the result that came from my polling unit. Otherwise, I'm also a witness. You are also a witness. So don't be afraid, all this fear, whatever. Forget it. They don't own the judiciary. They are telling you go to court, go because they think you believe that illusion and think they own it. They don't own anything. Just as you see, they don't have any political power. It's just because people have not been participating. All that killing, rigging, all those manner. Thank you, everyone.
So that is all about what Aisha got to say. But there is something that is so, what I want to say, or something that is so special that I want to talk about. She was saying that we should not believe that they are the ones that run the court. Me, as for me, I disagree with her because I believe that they are the ones that run the court. Yes, so because you see what is going on. It is obvious. There is no way we will deceive ourselves. You can't fight these people, okay? They are still the one leading the court. If they are not the one, when court say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu discharged and acquitted, the case is closed. They don't know anything about this case. This case don't have hand, they don't have leg in court. What happened? They refused. Till this very moment I'm talking with you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still with the DSS, of which the court have said go. If they don't have leaders or control over the court, by now what will happen? Just a message that, oh, they should allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go. And that is all. He will just go. Yes, he will just go because the court have said so. But what happened? We make you to know that they run the court. There is no, in fact, you can't doubt it. They run the court. They control the court. So, my sister, in this aspect, I disagree with you because I believe that they run the courts. They run everything. Come on. It's obvious. It's obvious. They run the court. They run all this thing. So there is not anybody will tell me about it, okay? Nobody will tell me that, oh, the court have said, the court have this. No, me personally, I will not believe it because I have seen with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case and so others, when they say release, they will say no. So if they are not the one that is there, all these things would have been a forgotten issue by now. So I believe that taking this result to the court, as many people are saying that, oh, there is no need of a truth. There is no need. Even some persons are saying, let's continue the election again. It should be cancelled, and so many others. If it's going to be cancelled, and the INEC chairman is still the one in charge, then what else? What is the need of cancelling all this? So it's just the waste of effort. It's just for you to shine your eye. So when people are talking, you will know that, oh, this is what happened. So let us sit down and let us sit at home and let's enjoy our life as far as we know there is no election going on. Then you will be free. But when you say no, do or die, this is the result. So to me, I believe that they are the one controlling there. That is the truth. Because if you say you want to judge this case, they will keep adjourning it. They will keep adjourning this case, adjourn this case before you see 4 years. They will step down and say there's another election. So election will come again. He will win his second tenure before you see. So that is the way it is. That is the game played. So there is no need of people wasting their time. So, my realistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Please do well to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much as I keep bringing you all the updates. I still remain your one and only Progress News, everly ready to give you the update back to back. Please share this video. Okay, thank you and bye-bye.